Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As maybe some of you know and maybe some of you don't, my name is Anna and this is my YouTube. And I know it's been over a year since I've been on here and I am so sorry that it's taken me this long to get you my second video up. Anyways, let's just talk about a little bit about last year. It was a little bit of stress going on in my personal life. If you guys want to know a little bit about it, maybe I'll do a video on it. You let me know down in the comments below. Today's video is an unboxing. Like I did last time, my first one was an unboxing. It was an e.l.f. and an Ipsy, I do believe. And this year it is, my first one for this year is another Ipsy, but this Ipsy is their Ipsy Plus. Yes, big round of applause. I'm so stoked to have this box. I've wanted Ipsy Plus since I found out that they did an Ipsy Plus, which was probably like a year and a half ago, give or take. And then I was having some issues with my mailman not leaving my mail. So like when I contacted Ipsy, they were so nice and so easy to work with and easy to get my regular Ipsy, which is $10 a month, I do want to say. And so that they just said, since I was having so many issues, that they would put me on the wait list for the Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month. So let me just tell you a little bit about Ipsy Plus. I have my I think it's my January box. Yeah, I got Ipsy Plus February. I got Ipsy Plus February, so I've lied to you guys. I got it this month, March. I'll get my shit together one of these days. So I got the Ipsy Plus for March. I got regular Ipsy for January and February. So with the regular Ipsy, if you guys aren't aware of it, it's a beauty subscription little thing that you get every month. You get like 5 to 6 products, and with the regular Ipsy, it is just travel size products or like little brushes or whatever. But with this Ipsy Plus, you get 5 to 6 full-size products. Yes, girls and guys, let me tell you about it. Full-size products. I'm paying $25 a month for full-size products that are like way over $25 a month. You will just see once I open this box. So me being the eager beaver I already opened this box like last week when I first got it. So let's just rip into this bad boy. This is the box. It's a good size box. Nice, decent size. Don't want to show you the back with my information. And then just got to, and then that's what it says. Glam Bag Plus. So cute. Oh, and another thing is I don't think you get a bag with every Ipsy Plus. I think you get a bag like every other month or every 3 months. I'm not for sure. But so this is what it says inside. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So inspirational, so cute. Love it. So the first, okay, let's start with this. This is the little card that every Ipsy bag comes with. It comes with a little card or like a pamphlet like this one, and it tells you a little bit about the products you get, and it tells you about some like inspirational stuff that they like to throw in there every now and then. So this, I get 5 full-size products of brands you love each month, tons of tips and inspo to make the most of your picks, and then you get access to online beauty shop where you can get 50% cash back every single time, every single thing you buy. So if you guys aren't with Ipsy or Ipsy Plus, either one, you have to hop on that because you're living under a rock, because I've been part of Ipsy for at least a good year and a half, and now that I have Ipsy Plus, I literally cannot wait for my next box to come in. It has me so excited. Okay, so let's start with the first product. It is these brushes. I cannot wait to use. I have been like I said, I know what's okay, so like I was saying, I know it's in my box, so you can imagine how antsy I've been wanting to get this video out to you guys and not using the products. So these brushes are, you get a 5-piece let me tell you, it's a 5-piece brush set. They are the Farrah brushes. As you can see right here, they come in this really nice packaging, and there's 5-piece eye perfection set. And in this, like I said, in this thing, it shows you the price and the product, and there's tips in there, and it gives you a little detail about the brushes and everything like that. So like the tip, it says use with cream and powder products or dampen the brush with setting spray to amp up the pigment of any eyeshadow. So I didn't want to go ahead and read the whole description to you guys because they're eyeshadow brushes, so it's not really like nothing crazy. But I will go ahead and open these up to see how they feel. That is one thing I have not done, is open the products up to test them out. So I did want to test them out on camera, that way you guys could see. This is my first thoughts of it, besides of how they, which one did I pull out? I pulled up the second to largest one right here. There's the head. Oh my god. Literally so soft. These are really nice brushes. And the value of these brushes, let me tell you. Guys, these brushes are $50. I'm already over doubled of what I paid. I paid $25 for this box. And let me say another thing. This box was not gifted to me. This is not affiliated with anything. The links that I put down in the description box will not be towards nothing for me, no money or nothing like that. Now my referral will give something, but it will give you something too. I'm pretty sure, like, you know, 5% off something, or I don't know, something like that. But everything I leave down in the description box, like the links and stuff to get it, is not a part of anything. I bought this box with my own money, is what I'm trying to get out. Okay, going on to the second product. Let's get out this. This is the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Like that. And let's open it. Ooh, I have no products. I don't think I've tried any of these products that I've been given. So all these products are new to me, and I cannot wait to use. If you know me, I love eyeshadow. Today I don't have it on because I just got off of work, and I just wanted to quickly get this video out for you guys. And I think I'm going to do a whole video on using all these products. So stay tuned for that. So this Huda Beauty eyeshadow set, guys, when I opened this, I fell so in love with these colors. I mean, I haven't tried any of them, like the pigmentations, to see how pigmented it is, but a bitch is in love. Like, can we just take a minute? Oh my. I love sparkly colors and shit like that. So this is the silver, and that's just one line. Excuse that ugly bruise on my hand. Alright. It's really soft, like dipping my finger into there. And like the pigmentation, you can't really see because of the sun. But pigmentation's really nice. I cannot wait to try these in a look or a picture, or I mean in the video, when I do the video for you guys. So what does, in this value, it is the Obsession palette in Smoky. And the palette itself is $27. $27. Oh my. I am so in love with this Ipsy Plus bag. Like, get your hands on an Ipsy Plus bag if you have a chance, because you will never regret it. I promise you. So the tip for this one is take your eyeshadow look from day to night by smudging the intense black shade along the top and bottom lash lines with an eyeliner brush. If y'all didn't know it, there's a beauty tip for you. Moving on to the third product. Let's save, like, all these products are my favorites, but I want to save the last two because I'm really excited about those. Okay, anyways, so this is a liquid lipstick. Lipstick is one of my faves, especially a liquid, and especially one that's matte. Hello, matte, matte, matte. This is the Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. A little lippy lip. I feel like I get a lippy lip with, if not all my boxes, at least majority of my boxes. And this is valued at $14. So it's under the $25 that I spent on my Ipsy Plus bag, but the first product was $50 by itself. So I mean, I'm not even mad. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I love a nice red. I think it's good on my complexion. I think a red is good on really any complexion if you ever want to get out there and try it. I really like this one. It is in the, and that's the color I Am Adaptable. So here it is. Okay, turn that way so you can see. It's red. A very nice red. Here is the applicator. It's a really nice tip. Let's go ahead and this color I think would be so nice for like a date night or a night out. Like, that's so beautiful. Nice. I enjoy it. I cannot wait to try it. Okay, second to last is a, while we're still doing makeup, let's just stay with this. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Sunbeam Golden Bronze Complexion Highlighter. Right here. Full size products again, guys. I cannot stress this enough. You're paying $25 for 5 to 6 items. Full size products and their name brand. Hello. You're crazy not to do this. So, the tip with this one is dab on high points like cheekbones and brow bone and blend with your fingers, wear over makeup or alone on bare skin. Nice. So this is the product. Really cute. Really, really cute. Okay. This is the applicator. Kind of looks just like you would like use to paint your nails or whatever. Like, but 4 drops right there. 4 drops right there by the lipstick that I did, and I'm just gonna rub it into my skin like it says. A little goes a long ways, I can already tell you guys that. And there you are. The sun does not want to work, but definitely when I do the look with this, you will be able to see it better. The value for that is $26. So literally cannot be upset with it. Okay, the last product, but certainly not least product, is the drum roll please, the Purelisse, however you want to say it, Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. And this is for hydration, fine line prevention, perfect for under makeup. This is for normal, dry, sensitive skin. I have combo skin, so this is perfect. If you do have combo skin, you are probably like me and have difficulty using moisturizer that doesn't either make you more oily or break you out. Those are my 2 issues with moisturizers and why I don't normally wear moisturizer normally during like the year. Right now I'm in Kentucky, so like the weather is a little aggravating. If you're from here, you know. If you're not from here, you're lucky. So right now I have like a little dry skin around my nose. I'm hoping you can't see that on camera, but if you can, that's what it is. And this moisturizer is valued at $45. $45 for this. And I got it in a box for $25. Let's just throw that back out there if y'all didn't hear me the first 20,000 times. Okay? And the tip for this one is apply morning and night for soft, smooth, moisturized skin. The easy to tote tube makes it easy to reapply on the go and for those really dry days. So, I cannot get over my first Ipsy Plus glam bag. So, let's just do a little review on how freaking excited I am to use these products. I want to thank Ipsy so much for sending them to me, and I cannot wait to use these products on all of them. All of these products are ones I have never used before, so this will be like a first thanking video when I do my look with this box. So I am excited to do that, and use those brushes. A big thing I love brushes. I'm obsessed with brushes. Oh, okay, off topic, but look at that. I can touch a little, but I was rubbing it hard. But look how matte that is already. Very, very kiss proof approved. Kiss proof approved. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm very obsessed with using brushes, especially new brushes that I've never had before. I love using a new brush. Eyeshadow is a huge thing. Let me just tell you, everything in this box, like I said, besides the moisturizer, but I will learn to like a moisturizer. I will learn. Hopefully, I will learn to love a moisturizer. But I do love highlighters, and I do love lipsticks, and I do love brushes and eyeshadows. So, getting all of my favorites in one bag for $25 when these are overvalued, like, not overvalued, but they're over that value themselves, just by themselves, it makes a broke bitch happy. Let me just tell you this. I am a waitress, so shout out to my waitress gals and girls out there, or guys and gals out there. And if you love getting, let's say, free or cheap things, this Ipsy Plus bag is for you. And I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and if you lasted this long, thank you so much for watching. You don't understand how much I appreciate it and how much it means to me. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and comment below to let me know what you did or did not like. I don't care. And subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will also put my my Instagram, my Twitter, Snapchat, all that fun social media stuff down there, because I do things on there as well. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching again. And if you have been here since my first video, which was over a year ago, thank you so much. And like I said, I hope to be more consistent with my content this year. And I'm feeling very positive about it. So I'm all about that. Positive, whatever you bring out into the world, you get in. So I'm trying to be as positive as I can to hopefully get some positivity sent my way. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I would greatly appreciate you if you did that. And if you would care to follow me on Instagram or any of my social medias, I do things on there, like I said. And I hope to see you guys back for my next video. Bye.